All right, this week you're going to begin working on your final app in week 11. We're going to be doing a video app where you'll be doing like a trailer video of your favorite movie trailers. You'll be downloading an existing app to do that. So I'll go to the exercise for this week. So what you're going to do on this week is you're going to go to the repo here for GitHub, and I want you to download this, or you can fork it. Probably best to fork it to your account. Once you fork it to your account, download it to your Mac. Then once you've done that, you can then bring it up on an Xcode and change your movie choices to be your movie choices from the ones I have on there. I do put a link in here to a place you can go to convert YouTube videos to MP4, and then uh, edit the movie poster, and then commit changes when you're done. So I'll show you here real quick what the app looks like. I'll just go ahead and download it as a zip file. I'm going to change the simulator to iPhone 12 Max. Okay, the way this works is it's a uh, horizontal landscape view app. I have on here Clifford, The Expendables 3, and What About Bob on one view. Second view is a um, player class, AV player class view. It's called AV player view controller. They click on one of the images and it sends it to the player class and runs the video. And so I'll show you both here real quick. Um, the view controller, again, just segues to the player view controller. The player view controller then runs. So if it's the first one they click on, it sends it, creates a variable for destination to the play viewer controller. It says, okay, in that bundle, look for resource trailer one, which is right here, of type MP4. Then it gets the URL of that, plays it in the player, and pushes it to the destination. Same with second and same with third. So again, on this app, it's basically um, adding to this app this AV controller scene. And here it is right here. The play viewer controller is the scene that it's using, and you'll notice all it's doing is supporting landscape on this one. So if I go to the view controller property, you'll notice the play viewer controller is a class. That's this one right here. And then the property for this class is the view controller property, which is this one right here. So what you're going to do is replace the trailers with trailer photos with you can update these existing ones or add new ones, trailer 3, 4, and 5, or 4, 5, and 6. And same with video, trailer 4, 5, and 6, and keep mine in there if you want to. And then what you have to do is update the code accordingly to match the new ones. So if you put in, for instance, they selected um, trailer 3 or 3, 4, 5, you'd have to change, segue identifier first, second, or third. And you can change that in the segue here, right there, in the property. You can change identifier first, second, or third. You can keep them just like they are in mine. You don't even have to change them. But in the code, you'd have to change a resource to trailer, like say this would be, instead of trailer 1, it'd be maybe trailer 4. And this would be trailer 5. And this would be trailer 6, MP4. All right. And then it'll play the video. So let me run it to show you what it looks like. And I did, while that's loading, I did on the trailer videos or the trailer images for the movie, kind of like a DVD cover. I did just go into pixlr.com, pixlr.com, upload the whatever image I found online for that trailer video. And I just made sure they were all the same dimensions. I did 214 by 312 dimension, 214 by 312 in Pixlr. And then just made sure that all the images fit that. That way it looked the same when I dumped them in the view controller. So I'd recommend making your photos the same dimensions as mine using pixlr.com. Again, 214 by 312. Then when you save them in here, make sure and rename them to trailer 4, 5, and 6. And then video's the same, trailer 4, 5, and 6 for the video, MP4. When it loads, it'll load vertical or portrait mode. I'll have to modify it here and rotate it left or right. We'll do left while it's running here. And then once you find a YouTube video, you then go to this website here to convert it and download it as an MP4. And then you might have to find a few YouTube links before you find one that works. But once you do, download the MP4, edit the poster image at pixlr.com editor. Once you get everything working, then just commit your changes to GitHub. And it'll take a while because of the video files to upload them. And then submit the GitHub link. If you have problems submitting the GitHub link, uploading it, just zip it all together for me and send it in here. It'll be fine. I'll make sure I have, it looks like file upload is one of the options to help. And I did put the code in here as well. And then beyond that, you're going to work on your final app this week. Begin working on your final app. If you want to add a video to that, you can. You don't have to. Just tell me what you worked on your final app. And here's the running app here before we're done here today. I clicked on Clifford. It should now go to the video, start playing it.
Stefan felt that was a very cruel action, Uncle Martin.
Oh, well, you tell Stefan. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and we have to get up.
I'll do the same with this one. And that concludes it. So hope that helps. Let's have a great week.